Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're showing you the updated solution. Get my old wallpaper back on Android. So if you've accidentally changed it or just want to bring back that familiar look, you're in the right place. Now let's get started. Step 1. First things first. Take your phone and open the Settings app. You can find it right on your home screen or inside the app's drawer. This is where we'll begin restoring your old wallpaper. Step 2. Within the menu, scroll down and look for the Wallpaper and Style option. Tap on it to access all your wallpaper settings and customization options. Step 3. From this screen, tap on the Change Wallpaper option. This will open up the wallpaper selection area, where you'll see different categories and suggestions. Step 4. In this section, browse through the available wallpapers. If your old wallpaper was from the built-in options, you might find it here again. Just tap on it and you'll be ready to apply it back to your screen. Step 5. If you don't find your old wallpaper there, it might have been a custom image. In that case, go to the Gallery section in the Wallpaper menu. Browse through your photos, pick the one you previously used, and tap on the Done button. Make sure the image is saved in your gallery beforehand. Step 6. Finally, you'll need to choose where to apply the wallpaper. If you want it only on the lock screen, tap Lock Screen Only, then hit Next and confirm your choice by tapping the Done button at the top. That's it. You've successfully brought back your old wallpaper. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.